Have you ever walked into the kitchen and then completely forgot why? Or opened your phone only to stare at it like, what was I even doing? Relax. Your brain isn't broken. It's just been rebooted by the internet while you were sleeping. Today, we're going on a mission to fix your brain, or at least stop it from turning into mashed potato neurons. But first, before we begin this noble repair operation, smash that like button like you're smashing the dopamine addiction, and subscribe to the channel. Not just because I'm charming, though obviously I am, but because your brain deserves it. Chapter 1, your brain isn't lazy. The internet just taught it to be. Every time you check your phone, you're literally rearranging your brain furniture. Yes, literally. Instead of memorizing multiplication tables, your brain now remembers cat dance videos. Priorities, right? Chapter 2. Your attention is now a never-ending commercial break. Tried reading a book lately? Great. But halfway through the first paragraph, your brain whispers, how about a quick scroll on TikTok? Next thing you know, you're watching cockroaches ride tiny motorcycles and forgot the book even existed. Chapter 3. Dopamine. The free drug that's wrecking your focus. Every like, ping, or scroll is a hit of synthetic happiness. Your brain is now a casino addict, pulling the lever, waiting for a win, but losing focus every time. Chapter 4. One day without screens equals 5-star brain spa. Imagine a full day without your phone, no laptop, no screens. At first, you'll feel lost, like a medieval traveler without a map. But hours in, mental peace, real, glorious peace. Your brain starts breathing again. Chapter 5. Focus workouts. The brain gym. Start with just 5 minutes of focusing on just one thing. You'll swear the clock is broken. Your brain will sweat, panic, maybe scream. But keep going. That's your focus muscle getting ripped. Chapter 6. Nature. The free, non-downloadable therapy. No need to climb the Himalayas. Just walk outside. Look at a tree. Listen to a bird. Even staring out the window at the sky helps more than 100 short videos. Chapter 7. Movement. The medicine you've been scrolling past. Move your body, walk, dance, jump like no one's watching because they probably aren't. Your body is begging for motion while you're sitting like a couch potato with Wi-Fi. Fun fact, just 20 minutes of walking without your phone boosts brain activity by 26%. 20.6%. Chapter 8. Play without purpose. Remember being a kid? Drawing nonsense, playing with no reason, laughing at nothing? Do that again. No goals, no judgment. Just fun. Play isn't childish. It's brain therapy in disguise. Chapter 9. Real human connection. Talking to people in real life. Yes, actual humans. Boosts your brain more than 100 emojis ever could. Try the 3-1-2 method. 3 small chats with strangers weekly. 1 deep convo with a friend. No phones allowed. 2 group hangouts a month. Chapter 10. Mindfulness. Your secret weapon. Before opening your phone, pause. Take a deep breath. Ask yourself, what am I actually looking for right now? That tiny question might save you hours of scrolling and bits of your soul. Mindfulness equals freedom from zombie scrolling. Conclusion. Project Brain Rescue. Your brain didn't fall apart overnight, and it won't heal in a day. But now you've got the blueprint. Every step toward calm, clarity, and awareness is a step toward rebuilding your mind. If you made it to the end of this video, congrats. Your attention span deserves a medal. Hit the like button before you forget. Subscribe to the channel so we can keep growing together. And if you manage to watch this whole thing without checking another app, you, my friend, are now officially a focus ninja.